Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Atlas Reward credit card extended warranty benefits. All right, it's gonna be a really quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas account. There are two ways to log into Atlas. You can do that on the online banking platform. That's the Atlas website. Or you can choose to log in on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account using your username and password, you're just going to select the credit card account that you want to use the extended warranty benefits for. You can just go ahead and select the credit card account from the account dashboard. And once that's selected, you're going to click on extended warranty. And then you can review the benefits details. And if the benefits are good enough for you and you want to go with that, you can just go ahead and contact the extended warranty provider to file a claim or to request assistance. And you're going to be required to provide documentations to support the claim, such as receipts or proof of purchase. And once that's provided, you're going to receive reimbursement or assistance for eligible extended warranty claims. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas Reward credit card extended warranty benefits. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys